If you've ever wondered how to control when tabs become inactive in Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to adjust Chrome's tab inactivity settings so you can choose whether tabs stay active longer or go to sleep sooner. This is a great way to manage memory, improve performance, and make Chrome work better for your computer. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can control different browser features and performance options. On the left-hand sidebar, click Performance. This is where Chrome keeps its memory and efficiency settings, including the memory saver feature. Now look for the master memory saver toggle and make sure it is turned on. If memory saver is off, Chrome won't automatically deactivate tabs based on your selected setting, so this step is important. Once memory saver is enabled, you'll see the tab deactivation options underneath. Chrome gives you a few different levels depending on how aggressively you want inactive tabs to sleep. If you choose moderate, your tabs will stay alive for a longer period before going to sleep. This is a good option if you want a balance between keeping tabs ready and saving a little memory. If you choose balanced, which is the recommended option, Chrome will automatically decide the best time to deactivate tabs based on your computer's current RAM usage. This is usually the smartest choice for most users because it adapts to your system in real time. And if you choose maximum, Chrome will make tabs inactive after a very short period of time to save as much RAM as possible. This is best if your computer has limited memory or if you want Chrome to be as lightweight as possible. Simply select the option that matches your needs and Chrome will apply the behavior right away. From that point on, your inactive tabs will be managed according to the level you selected, helping your browser run more efficiently. If you ever notice tabs are going to sleep too quickly, you can always come back here and switch to a less aggressive setting. And if you want them to save memory faster, just move to a stronger level. That's all it takes to select when tabs become inactive in Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.